Look what I got. My husband and son actually own a lawn care company, so I wanted something just for me and something that he can take to jobs as well. So let's see. Came with 2 batteries, some safety glasses, some oil or lube, a little cord to charge it. Here she is. There's a little guard on it. Guard down here as well, that way nothing kicks back and hits your fingers. Came with 2 extra chains and some other little tools. Little instructions and some gloves. Let's see. Oh, first we have to take the battery out. It'll do.